Many factors influence weight beyond simply the amount of food you eat or how much you work out. Obesity seems to result from the interplay between many systems: genetic, lifestyle, environmental, and microbial. A growing body of research is exploring the role that the bacteria in your gut play in influencing your weight. This emerging science gives us a deeper understanding of the complex factors which impact weight and insight into new approaches to achieving a balanced weight. Beginning at birth, you pick up microbes which inhabit your skin, organs, and tissues, including the digestive tract. The digestive tract is full of over 1,000 species of bacteria, as well as viruses, fungi, and other organisms. Together, these comprise your gut microbiome. Each person has a unique microbiome, which is influenced by genetics, environment, and dietary factors. Both the richness and diversity of your gut microbiome influence your health and how well different processes function in your body. Microbial richness refers to the overall number of microbial species in your gut microbiome, while diversity refers to the number of individual bacteria from each of the bacterial species which are present in your gut microbiome, as well as the mix of other types of organisms. The types of microorganisms in your microbiome have a significant influence over many processes throughout the entire body, including weight balance. Overall, people who are obese have less microbial diversity. Gut bacteria are involved in the control of body weight, energy balance, and inflammation. As such, they play an important role in the pathophysiology of obesity. Alterations in the composition of gut microbiota can stimulate the development of obesity and other metabolic diseases via several mechanisms. These include influencing how many calories are absorbed from the diet, altering metabolism, increasing the gut permeability and subsequent inflammation, and impacting the balance of different hormones which can influence appetite, fat, metabolism, and weight. While some aspects of your gut bacteria are determined by genetics, lifestyle, and dietary habits can also have a dramatic impact on the mix of beneficial and harmful microbes. There are many lifestyle choices you can make to help bring your gut bacteria and weight back into balance. Always check with your healthcare provider before making major changes, since many complex interactions impact weight. Dietary changes are one of the most impactful ways to improve microbial richness and balance the bacteria in the gut. In particular, there are certain phytonutrients, such as polyphenols, that help boost beneficial bacteria. These are considered prebiotics because they feed beneficial leanness-promoting bacteria in your gut. They are also anti-inflammatory and help protect the intestinal lining. Polyphenols are found in many plant-based foods, including brightly colored vegetables, apples, coffee, green tea, and cocoa. Incorporating a natural rainbow of plant foods helps you get a variety of beneficial phytonutrients in your diet. While you cannot digest fiber, your gut bacteria can. Fiber nourishes your microbes, supporting diversity and making it more likely that you'll maintain a healthy weight. Opt for eating whole foods that naturally contain fiber, like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Many of these also contain prebiotics, a type of fiber that helps your gut bacteria flourish. Feeding your bacteria prebiotics regulates inflammation, reduces gut permeability, and increases fullness. Fiber is an important component of many complex carbohydrates. Bacteria need complex carbohydrates like legumes and whole grains in order to thrive. Complex carbohydrates digest more slowly than refined simple carbohydrates, which allows the naturally occurring sugars to be absorbed more slowly into the bloodstream. The gut microbiome ferments complex carbohydrates, creating anti-inflammatory short-chain fatty acids that modulate inflammation, influence fat, and improve blood sugar balance. This allows them to provide steady energy without causing metabolic chaos. Toxins in the environment and diet can disrupt the microbiome. Endocrine-disrupting chemicals known as obesogens seem to contribute to metabolic dysfunction and obesity by impacting appetite, fat cells number and size, hormones, and the balance of your intestinal microbiota. Try to avoid processed additives, chemicals, and artificial ingredients in your diet to keep your bacteria balanced and maintain an ideal weight. Some ways to reduce your toxic load are to opt for organic produce, avoid storing or heating foods in plastics, and filter your water to reduce your exposure to chemicals. In addition to influencing inflammation, physical activity impacts the balance of bacteria in your gut. While the science in this area is still emerging, one way that exercise may benefit the microbiome is by boosting levels of bacteria that produce short-chain fatty acids like butyrate. These contribute to the production of satiety hormones that curb hunger, help to regulate inflammation, improve insulin resistance to regulate metabolism, and promote the survival and growth of neurons. Research suggests that even a few weeks of exercise can alter the makeup and function of the microbiome in a way that supports a more balanced weight. Taking steps like these to keep your microbiome balanced and thriving can help you achieve a more balanced weight, a healthy digestive system, and better overall health. Incorporate some of these lifestyle habits to naturally maintain a healthy weight and prevent chronic disease. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. I hope that it's provided you with some valuable information. If you've enjoyed it, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple, pure whole wellness.